We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for returns for the smash that like button. Tell me you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc. continues to push up higher, hold itself above support, and it was very volatile today, but still in an upward trend, while the overall market was having volatility. And this morning our SPY bot at 11:10 a.m. sent us out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward put options went up 2 to 3x within an hour, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way, so you can receive that clarity and edge over the charts within the volatility. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize on opportunities in either direction by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts. So here we are with Bbig stock. We have some key levels to talk about, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are two of the three stocks I mentioned this morning. The third one was APRN, but every single one of them gave 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, and even 10 to 20%. But one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was RDBX. We caught this one in the pre-market under a bull indicator, going into strength and consolidating, slightly dipping towards the bell, reversed back into strength on 42 vision, jumped up 20 to 30% plus, consolidated, and went for another jump, hitting a highest point on the day of possibility of 50% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig stock, as I stated earlier in the video, pushing up higher and continuing to hold itself up above support levels. Now, we have some key levels to talk about. We're going to look at the 4-hour and the 1-day as well, but I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets. And you can now join the members using these resources, maximizing within the volatility and either direction within the charts by receiving that clarity and edge that 42 vision brings within the markets. So here we are with Bbig stock under a bull indicator on the 30-minute since April 28th, down here at 227. We're currently at the 260s, and we hit highs of nearly 270s, right? So let's go ahead and look at the 4-hour first, and then we're going to come and talk about supports and resistance levels. So we have had this bull indicator pop up, and we talked about it on Friday as it popped up in the pre-market, and it shifted from red with green borders into dark green, and we needed to see a continuation. And here we are seeing it push up higher after canceling out this bear indicator. Super important that we were looking for that. We got the bull indicator, but now based off 42 vision, this would be considered a complete shift from white with red borders into bright green. So now we need to watch it very carefully. It could continue, right, as it's done before. It could just begin, because last time it had 2 of these back to back, and the third one was a large one, and it continued for 4 or 5 more in a row. So this is just 3 of them so far. This could continue, but it has to break through key resistance levels based off the history of the chart that we've talked about, and we're going to break it down on the 30-minute. But last thing, let's look at the 1-day here, and the 1-day is still transitioning back up, but still under a bear indicator. this needs a bull indicator. If this continues, we want to see this continue to shift into dark green bars and eventually bright green bars and have that continuation to the upside. And as it's done here before as well, right? That back to back after a bull indicator. But right now, we are still under a bear indicator, but we are seeing transitions happen, right? Going from red to red with green borders to dark green, and we want to see that continue and eventually cancel out this bear indicator with a bull indicator popping up on the upward trend. So 1 day has a bear indicator, 30-minute has also a bull indicator, and the 4-hour here as we see it has a bull indicator. And so far, every single little pullback has been a setup for the next bull run, setup for the next bull run, right? And this one is in progress as we speak. So let's talk about the resistance and support levels that are going to matter moving forward. So the first thing is the support level here. The first support I'll be watching is 256. If that gets broken through, the low of the day here, 250, is a key support level to watch. Now, if both of these get broken through, the next support level will be down here at 243, being the lowest point in the pullback on Friday. So those are the 3 key levels I'm watching to see if the bulls try to reappear and bring it back up, or if the bears are tearing this one down fairly fast. Now, the stock finally broke above today, 262, and it's fighting to stay above it. That's going to be a key resistance level to find support, to have some strength and go further. But today's high was 268, slightly above 267, give or take, which then gets us closer to 270, which needs to be broken through. And then we have 277 being a key resistance level to show further strength. And then we can start talking about the 290s and then $3, which is super important. $3 is going to be a key resistance level to the upside within this move and further move for the bulls. They definitely want to break above $3 based off the history of the chart. And in the process of going higher, go ahead and trap more shorts to create an even further possibility of a squeeze to the upside. And if you go back over to the 4-hour, you could see how significant the $3 mark has been, because that's when the bear indicator popped up. And even when it tried going back up towards 315 and dropped back down, ever since then, there has been a huge rejection point at the $3 mark based off the 4-hour. And also, when you pull up the 1 day here, that's when things started to accelerate from dark green with red borders to red, and that continuation all the way down towards the 250s. And things are now trying to fight back up. So we definitely need to watch things as they're reversing back up. But also the bigger picture has shown us how important that $3 mark as a resistance has been, is right now, and will be until it's broken through, turned into a support, and broken away from. That's the key thing right now in the bigger picture, and also where the shorts have applied the most pressure. Even when you come back to it right here, you could see it as well, that bear indicator, and things started to get very volatile, but overall the direction started to become downwards. To receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make